I guess in this video I'm going to discuss about overcross in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So at your overcross combined with partition, it's used to break the data into the partition, and function can be used with max, mean, average, row number, rank, tens rank. So let's see by the example. So at here I'm using the table escort.empd, and this is the records inside the table. So this table I'm selecting because at here PPT number. So at here the columns are duplicates. So at here 10 3 times, 20 6 times, and 30 6 times. And over by clause is used with partition, and it is used to break the data. So I'm going to break the data on the basis of DPT number. So let's see the example. So at here select. So select at here I'm selecting DPT number, and here count a star, and here let's give the add here or column alias total the name, and hereafter max salary as max underscore sal, and hereafter main sal as mean underscore sal, max mean hereafter average underscore sal. So at here avg underscore sal. Now hereafter selecting the table, so from escort dot emp table, and hereafter I'm making a group by on dpt number. So if I'm going to execute the records, so it's a working fine. So it's make 10 in one group. So at a total 10 3. So at a maximum salary in 10 5,000, mean 1300, and here this is the average. Here 26 times 3000 max, 800 mean, 2072 is the average, and here 36 times, and here max, mean, and average. So this all are aggregated column, and this all are aggregated record. What if I enter at here non-aggregated column? So in at here I'm going to enter EMP number. So EMP number is a non-aggregated column. So at here if you execute this query, so at here I'm getting the error message. The error message is EMP number must be either either in group by, or that can have any aggregator function. So if you include at here EMP number, EMP number. Now if you execute this query, so you won't get any error. So you won't get any error here. So what if I did not include in, if I did not make EMP number add here, so add here I'm getting the error message. It must be aggregator or function, or it must be group by. So either you have to use add here any aggregator function like max, mean, and tens rank, here row number. So at here I wanna get the output like at here let's copy. So at here if you execute, so at here this all are aggregated columns, and here aggregated data. So at here I wanna combine non-aggregated column with aggregated column. So for this we have to use at here we have to make this in subquery. So and here let's make that one in subquery. So this is a subquery, and here after let's use select a statement, and here selecting EMP number. EMP number here, and here after DPT number, and here after count as star. Count as star, and here after let's write from, and here escort dot EMP table. Now here after, so this is all our non-aggregated column, and here after, so let's remove this part. This is not necessary right now. So add here EMP number, DPT number from escort.emp, and here after let's use add here inner join. Inner join. So inner join on subquery. So this is the part of subquery, and here let's give add here the name of subquery as, and here giving the name as B. Now here after to join add here, so this is the subquery and this is the outer query. So to join inner query with outer query, we have to use on clause. On clause, so at here sb dot. So sb dot dpt number, and here after emp dot dpt number. And here this is the ambiguous. So for this we have to, because dpt number at here in subquery and here outer query. So at here let's give emp dot dpt number. Now the error out. So if we execute this query, so see at here first that are displaying emp number, and here this is all our dpt number. So see at here emp number is a non-aggregated column, and here this at here this all part of aggregated column. So emp number is non-aggregated, emp.dpt number is the non-aggregated columns. So with non-aggregated column, here I am going to include aggregated column. So for this let's use column alias sb, and here dot operator. So first for max, and here sb dot. So next is for mean, and hereafter sb dot max mean, and hereafter average, and here sb dot, and next for total. Now if you execute this query, so see at here, so emp number, dpt number, so this are non-aggregated column, and this are non-aggregated column record, and here in right side, so this all are aggregated column part. So at here I applied max, mean, average, and count as star here. So this is the way, this is the first way we can join, we can use non-aggregated column with aggregated column. So next way you can also use over clause. So by over clause, so you can also use aggregated column and non-aggregated column. So let's see by example for over clause. So at here let's use select a statement, and here emp number, and here after emp number, and here count, and here counting dpt number, and here let's use over clause, and inside the over clause we have to use partition by. partition. So partition by DPT number. So that to take or 10 in one partition, 20 for another partition, 30 for another partition. And hereafter, let's give this part name as total. And hereafter, let's use from escort dot emp table. So if you execute this query, so see at here or emp number, so this is a non-aggregated column, and here this is aggregated column. So at here you can use also max min. So in place of or count, you can use max aggregated function. So maximum on salary. So I'm going to calculate max salary, and here let's give the name max underscore sal, and here that separate by comma, here after comma again paste, and here this is for mean sal, mean sal, and here let's give the name at here mean underscore sal, max mean, here after average, going to calculate average salary, and here give the meaningful name average avg underscore sal. So let's execute this query. So see at here emp number it's displaying, next is total, here max mean and average sal. And if you execute this query, so at here emp number, dpt number, total, max mean. So if you want here you can also include dpt number. So first is emp number, dpt number, here max, mean, average and total. So let's execute max, mean, average, and if you execute this query, so at here I'm getting the same output by using this two query. So this at here this query I applied. So first I make this query is an sub query. Hereafter I use inner join. Hereafter I used, and here this I make outer query. After that I'm getting this output, and here by using over clause, so we can also achieve the same output. So which is the better? So in point at here in performance point of view, I think this is the better. So at here I applied at here or I did not apply it on or inner query. So when you execute, when the compiler executes, so first that calculate the inner part, after that go to outer part, and here that select and display all the outputs. But at here if you applied at here over by clause, so over by clause, so that partition on dpt number wise, and here that count dpt number, here max, and here means, and here average side. So this is a very simple. So this is the very simple query and very easy to understand. So at here I selected emp number, dpt number, hereafter count, max, mean, average, and here over by clause. So over by clause is used to partition the data, partition the data, and it is partition is used to break the data into the partition, and a function can be used max, mean, this function. So this is the things about over by clause. So over by clause here I used, so or by using over by clause concept, so this is the non-aggregated column, and here I'm using making aggregated columns. So non-aggregated column combined with aggregated columns by using over by clause. and here. So simply we cannot combine any non-aggregated column with aggregated column. So if I used this query, so I'm getting this output. So I don't wanna I wanna combine aggregated with non-aggregated. So we have to use this option. So this option is very bigger and lengthy. So this EMP number, DPT number, so that are non-aggregated column here. So this process is very lengthy, creating subquery, inner join, outer join, hereafter, on clause, condition. So there are four processes we have to do. And by using override clause, so select the columns hereafter, use aggregated function, and here from table escort.empt. So this is the simple things by making query simple by override clause. So that's why we are using override clause. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.